In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the default file save location in Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up PowerPoint and select the File tab up at the top left. And then on the left panel, go down and select where it says Options. And now underneath PowerPoint Options, you want to select where it says Save. And then on the right panel where it says Default Local File Location, you can just copy and paste whatever file location you want directly into here. So if you were to open up File Explorer and then you wanted to save it, let's say to Documents, for example, just go up to the top bar on the File Explorer window, and then you just right click and copy that. And then if you went back into here, you just go ahead and paste that in directly into the default file location here, and then you would select OK to save it. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.